A lot of collectors really like to specialize in beryls, and beryls is a family of minerals that consists of well-known varieties such as aquamarine, emerald, even heliodor. But one of the rarest varieties of beryl is the red beryl, and these only come from one place in the world, and that is the Wawa Mountains in Utah. So this particular specimen comes from my own collection, and the color is absolutely incredible. It's very specific, deep magenta red. And as you can see, it starts at this kind of light pink and then it deepens into this beautiful dark color. And to have one on matrix like this, and that's growing, almost vertically out, is very hard to find. So this is a very special piece in my collection. This light box has very, very strong lighting, so it really brings out those hues. This is a very large piece for, the species, and to have one in matrix, have this color and the size and the luster, it's really exceptional, and I'm very lucky to have it.